Okay guys, tonight I'm gonna make chicken larb. So this is ground chicken. Alright, let's get started. Okay, let's turn on the stove. I'm gonna use this canola oil right here. Yeah, let me get hot for 1 minute later. Okay, this is roasted garlic. I made that a couple weeks ago, so I'm gonna go ahead put in here just a little bit to make it nice and smell good. Okay, garlic's in just to make it nice and smell good. Stir fry garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead put the chicken in. Yep. Put the chicken. Okay, this is my ingredient, chicken broth. Just pick it up a little bit. Right here, chicken broth, about 1 spoon. Put in here. And a little bit salt. Just put in here a little bit, make a taste. That's all I need. Okay, so keep mixing, let them cook. Okay, chicken almost cooked, about 10 minutes. Okay, chicken cooked about 8 minutes. That's ready to go to put them together. It's done. Alright, turn it off. Okay, put chicken in here. So we're ready to mix right there. Okay, the chicken in the big bucket right now, in the big bowl. Ready to put them together. Okay, let them cool down for a minute because I like them warm. I don't want too hot to cook larb. Chicken larb. Larbไก่ Okay, chicken cut right here. เครื่องในไก่ Okay, so ready to put them together. Make a larb right there. So just mix them together. Prepare already. You know the chicken cut right here. It's make taste good when you make larb. So you put in there. If you don't like it, you don't have to put in because I love chicken cut. So that's why I'm put in here. This is a tip I want to give to you. When you want to cook something, you prepare everything just the way I do because when the job become easy. You know, this is lamb leaf, this is kalanka, this is lamb, this is a red onion, and this is hot pepper, Lao hot pepper, this is lemongrass, and mint. So when you prep all of this, when you cook larb like this, make more easy because you prepare everything. That's key. Just prepare or prep first, okay? Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze the lamb in here. I'll go ahead to do that first. One lamb right here. I want more sour. I want sour, so just go ahead put this lamb in here. Okay, gonna be the last one, the lamb juice right here. Just squeeze, put in here. Yep, that's the last one. Make larb, you have to have the roast fried rice. You know, stir fry the rice and cut the brown color, make it smell good, and you brown them. This is my ingredient: 3 crab fish sauce, and this is the Lao fish sauce. So I'm gonna put them together. All 1, 2, 3 right here. Lao fish sauce gonna be going in. Just 1 spoon, not too much. And this is gonna go in ground rice right there. You can put more if you want to, but I just put like 1 spoon. And this is fish sauce. Get in and taste first. Mix them together. Yes, mix them together like that. Okay. Okay, I need more sour. I'll just go ahead put 1.5 lamb juice. 1.5. Yep. pinch of sugar, just a taste for the taste, just a little bit for taste. When you cook, you want to have a good balance. You have to put a little bit sugar. So taste how you like it. You want sour, sweet and sour, or you want salty, you want spicy, up to you, okay? So this is how I prepare my lab. Very easy. Very easy. More lamb juice. So this is 2 lamb. 2 lamb. Because I love sour. It's up to you how you want it. This is why I love sour, because it tastes so good. Refreshing. Add more ground fried rice. About 2 spoons ground fried rice. Okay, let's taste. That's why when you make this lab, you go all everything and you taste. If you like it, then you're gonna put all this vegetable in, all the herb right here. So that's going down. Everything going down right now, okay? How you do it. And now you mix. Because the taste, you already know what you want. You got to taste everything you wanted. Now you put everything together, just like that. Just mix them a little bit. All the herb, all the onion, everything in, and taste again after that. If you how you like. So good. That's it. It's done, guys. Done. Now I'm gonna throw this herb in, just like that. That's a chicken lab. Very easy. The key is you have to prep first, okay? You prep whatever you need to put in there, and then you make a taste. When the taste okay, and then you put all the onion, the herb, everything in. Look at here, you guys. There you have it. It's lab, chicken lab, guys. Look at that. Yum and healthy. So refreshing. The herb, the spice, everything on that. Yep, lab ready to eat, guys. It's very easy and tastes so good, and homemade and cheaper. Save a lot of money. Eat at home, party at home, happy hour at home. This is my ingredient: lab fish sauce, and this is a 3 crab fish sauce and a ground fried rice. That's it. It's very easy, and the herb, like I show you, very easy. Put them together how you want the taste. Just put them together, and you want sour, you want spicy, you want salty, everything up to you, just right here. But the key, I tell you, the key is you have to prep. Make your job easy, and you learn to cook all the way, because you prep everything ready. When you put them together, it's more easy. And then go sit down, eat, enjoy food. As I want to show you how I eat my vegetable. This is a bitter melon. It's a very bitter taste. This is bell pepper. And this is olive leaf, and this is pak nang lerd. I don't know. We don't have no name in English, so I don't know to tell you. So I just say pak nang lerd. I plant on my own, and this is cucumber. Okay, I'm gonna dressing in my place right now. Okay, that's how you eat lab. You have to have the vegetable. Eat with like the chicken salad basically, but this is more than salad because I have bell pepper. I have with watermelon, I have a cucumber, that I have olive leaf. I plant on my own, and I have this by Nang Lerd, so it's so good. This Larb Gai guy. So I'm gonna go ahead, sit down, and share with you in a minute. Time to eat. This is steamed rice, jasmine steamed rice. You gotta eat with jasmine steamed rice or chicken. Oh, sorry, I'm stuck. I'm hungry. Sticky rice or steamed rice, and here come lab. Here come vegetable. Here come more vegetable. You can add more vegetable. Eat all you want. I eat like a rabbit. I love vegetable, guys. And here come wine. How about that? Look at that. Okay, let's eat. Okay, let's have some. Just like that. Just like that. Yum. So good. Here come the bitter taste. I love it. So good. And drink wine too. Work hard, pay off. Okay, let's have some more. Man, that's so delicious. So good. So good. Here. Yep. Yum. Yep. Vegetable. ลาบไก่มาเด้อแซ่บหลายแซ่บเพื่อนผักน้ำเลิศ so good well okay guys the lab so delicious and healthy and all the herb vegetable and steamed rice you know and all the vegetable I got and I still have a lot more to go. That's for tomorrow. So good when you cook at home. That's the way it is. Only $5. Look at the food. $5. Very cheap I make. And the wine. Okay guys. Cheers. If you love this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I will cook more to show you how to cook easy, good food and healthy. Okay. And please keep watching. Thank you. Bye.